Now we are starting SAT 1 for the rest of the paper there for the 2015. It is consisting of non-calculator paper. We have already solved the calculator in the first part and now for the non-calculator in this part. These are the instructions given there. Total time is there 55 minutes and total number of questions there are 38, and you have to solve it one by one without calculator. These are the instructions. And now question number 1. You have seen it there that John runs at the different speeds as a part of his training program. The graph shows his target rate, different timings before his workout. On which of the following is the interval in which the target hertz strictly increasing, then it is strictly decreasing. So you have given these three graphs there, and the timings for this one is shown in the bottom. From 0 to 30 is neither increasing nor decreasing because this is the first graph. So it is like this. It is increasing, but it is not 0 to 30 is not graph there. Then the second graph is from this. This is 40. This is 50. This one is 60. So from 40 to 60, it is first increasing and then it is decreasing. So this is the right choice of this graph there. So choice B is the answer of this question there. Then question number 2. If y is equal to kx, it is direct variation, where y is 24, x is 6. Y is 24 and x is 6. You have to get the value of y when x is equal to 5. So first we will get the value of k there. So y is 24, k into x is 6. So this implies that k is equal to 4 there. Then y is equal to 4x and x value is there 5. So it should be equal to 20. And this is the answer of this C part for this question number 2. Now question number 3. The two lines L and M are parallel to S and T. This is L, this is M. They are parallel to each other. And the third line is S and T there. They have mentioned it here. This angle is mentioned there equal to 2, and this angle is mentioned there equal to 1, where angle 1 is equal to 35 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 35 degrees. So if it is 30 angle 1, then this will be angle 1. Then this will be angle 1 because they are the corresponding angles. This one is the corresponding angle, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 1 value is 35. So that thing is equal to 145. So angle 2 is equal to 145 degrees there. So this is the answer of this question part D there. Question number 4. 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 14. What is the value of x, 8x? These are the words problems, so we can use it like this. 16 plus 4x is equal to 10. More means what? Plus than 14. So 4x is equal to 10 plus 24 minus 16, that is equal to 8. 4x is equal to 8, then 8x will be equal to 8 into 2, that is equal to 16. So 16 is the answer of this, and that is the answer of this part C to that figure there. Question number 5 now. Which of the following graphs is the best shows a strong negative association between D and L there. So they have shown this first graph A there, which is a scatter diagram like this. And if we have to show the negative, we will join the best fit line for this portion. And this is the graph of this. But if we join this B, this is graph between L and D there. Again, this L and D, and it is like this. If we show the best fit line, negative, it is like this. And the C part is there, which is like this. It is showing positive acceleration for this. Then the part D is there. Between L and D. Best fit line is this. So this is the negative association of this between L and D there. So the choice D is the answer of this question number 5. Question number 6 now. 1 decagram is equal to 10 grams, and 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. An hospital stores one type of the medicine in 2 decagrams containers. Based on the information given in the above box, how many 1 milligrams does are there in 2 decagrams containers? So we have seen it there. These are shown there. So there are 2 decagrams. That means what? 2 decagrams, which is equal to 2 into 10, and that is equal to 20 grams. But 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So this will be equal to 20 into 1000. So it should be equal to 20,000 milligrams are in 2 grams, 2 decagrams there. So the answer for this portion is D. The number of the rooftops which has a solar panel installations in 5 cities as shown in the figure there above. The total number of installation is 27500. What is on the appropriate label for this vertical axis of this graph? So the graph A is showing up till 9 times. Let's say this is question number 7. A graph is up till 9 times. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So B is going up till 5 times. This is B, this is A. C is going up till 6 times. D is going up till 4 times. And E is going up till 3.5 times. So let's say 1 is going to be represented by X. This A is showing up till the vertical axis 9 times. So it should be for A there is 9x. For B there is 5x. For C there is 6x. For D there is 4x. And for E there is 3.5x. And that thing is equal to 27500 is the total installation of that. Because one installation we are representing it equal to X. So this is 23.5x is equal to 27, no, 27.5x is equal to 27500. So x is equal to 27500 over 27.5. So that thing x is equal to 1000. Number in installation of in 275,000. So the answer for this portion is it is C part, number of thousands in installation of that So C is the right choice of this question number 7. Question number 8 now. N minus 1 modulus, for what values of this n is n minus 1 modulus plus 1 is equal to 0. Since we know that it is the modulus sign, so modulus sign, whatever the value you are going to put in this modulus sign, it is going to make it positive value there. And positive plus 1 is never equal to 0. So this means you cannot estimate any value of n minus 1 modulus plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can write it that no value of x no such value of x, which is the part D of this answer there. We also know one thing, that n minus 1 modulus is basically equal to n minus 1 square root and then this. And if you put it equal to minus 1, then it's not possible. So that is why this answer is not possible for this question there. Question number 9 to 10 refer to this following information. A plus 1052 plus 1.08 T. The speed of the sound wave in the air depends on the air temperature. The formula shows the relationship between the value of A, the speed of the sound wave in feet per second, and T is the air temperature in degrees Fahrenheit for that. Question number 9 now. What is the value of this expression for this air temperature in terms of this speed of the sound wave? So we know that the sound wave is denoted by A and the air temperature is denoted by T. So you have to make T as a subject from this part. So 1.08 T is equal to A minus 1052, or T is equal to A minus 1052 over 1.08. So this is the temperature of that, and which is the part A there. So A is the right answer for this question number 9 there. Then question number 10, because 9 and 10 are referred to the same question there. At which of the following air temperature will be the speed of this sound? He does have to produce 1000 feet per second there. So A is 1000, that is equal to 1052 plus 1.08 T, or 1.08 T is equal to 1000 minus 1052, which is equal to minus 52. RT is equal to minus 52 over 1.08. So it should be equal to minus 26, 27, or it is minus 26 into 50 over 27, or that should be equal to, without calculator, if we use it, so the nearest answer is 48.2, 48.14. So nearest value is 48. So T is minus 48 Fahrenheit for this temperature there. And this is the answer for this question part B. Now question number 11. Which of the following numbers is not a solution of this inequality? Three x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 3. So just shifting these inequalities on one side. So 3x minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 5 will become this. So minus x is greater than or equal to 2, or this negative sign is going to be on the left side. So you are going to divide it on the right side. So it should be greater than or equal to will become less than or equal to minus 2. And the number which is greater than, it is only greater than or less than? Less than or equal to minus 2. So there is minus 1 is there, minus 2 is there. So it is less than minus 2. So that number is basically minus 2. 2 is the answer for this portion. So this is the choice B there. Sorry, it's not a solution of this. So it should be equal to minus 1, and minus 1 is the answer for this part A there. Question number 12 now. The number of seeds in each of these 12 apples, number of apples and the number of seeds. Based on the following histogram above informations, find the which is the closest to the average arithmetic mean numbers of the seeds per apple. So there are average, that means what the mean, and mean is equal to the sum of the observations over total number of observations. So average is equal to 3 is going to be 2 times plus 4 is 0 there, 5 is going to be there 4 times plus 6 is there for 1 time. Seven there is going to be for 2 times, and 8 is not there. 9 is going to be for 3 times. Divided by based on the following informations. How many apples were there? 9. 5 apples were there. So this should be equal to 6 plus 20 plus 6 plus 14 plus 27 divided by 5. So number of observations are 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is 6 plus 10, 26 plus 6, 32 plus 14. Six. So our answer is C, which is closest to this part there. So these are the questions we have solved it for this first part. And now we'll start the second part of that in the next videos.